Get all 20 plus creative desktop and mobile apps including Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat. Acrobat Pro. The complete PDF solution for working anywhere, includes desktop, web, and mobile access. Photoshop. Create beautiful graphics, photos and art on desktop and iPad. Comes with Adobe Fresco for drawing and painting. Illustrator. Create precise designs, illustrations and vector graphics on desktop and iPad. InDesign. Page design and layout for print and digital media. Adobe XD. Design, prototype, and share user experiences. Premiere Pro. Professional video and film editing. Dreamweaver. Design and develop modern, responsive websites. Design interactive vector animations for multiple platforms. Premiere Rush. Create and share online videos. Fast and easy. After Effects. Create motion graphics and visual effects for film, TV, video, and web. Dimension. Create photorealistic 3D images for branding, product shots, and package design. Audition. Audio recording, mixing, and restoration. Copy. Make text edits and layout modifications without impacting designs. To get all this for free, you need to subscribe to this video, like, and hit notification bell to receive new notification. Then, send your screenshot to Messenger, email, or check the description below. Then you'll receive an individual download link. Use keyword, for example Premiere Pro, if you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro. Free courses are also available on this channel. Thank you and hope you enjoy watching this video. See you on my next video.